Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 11 mid-cap stocks picked by Morgan Stanley. So last week I had posted 3 videos on different brokerages picking up the mid-caps after the rally. So here another video where we are going to look into the stocks picked by Morgan Stanley in the mid-cap sector, and they've picked 11 stocks. So we'll get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock prices as of 13th March 2019. First one in the list is Indraprastha Gas. The current share price is 290. The 52-week low is 215, whereas the high is 320. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 30 and the TTM EPS is 10. The promoter holding is 45%. 1,748 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns 1 year it is negative, but not that big negative. It is just minus 1.80%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive and a good return. For 3 years it is given as a return of 41%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 40%. Next one on the list is Indian Hotels. Its current share price is 154 rupees. The 52-week low is 109, whereas the high is 156 rupees. The industry PE is 69, whereas the company PE is 74. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 6 and the TTM EPS is 2. The promoter holding is 39%. The mutual fund investment is 3,872 crores, and returns, the 1 year return is 17%, the 3 years return is 18%, and for 5 years the return is 17%. Next one on the list is Cylent. Its current share price is 669 rupees. The 52-week low is 570, whereas the high is 887. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 18. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 22. And the TTM EPS is 37. The promoter holding is 22%. 987 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 9%, for 3 years 19%, and for 5 years 15%. Next one in the list is Ipca Laboratories. The current share price is 918 rupees. The 52-week low is 599, whereas the high is 941. The industry PE is 29, whereas the company PE is also 29. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 9. And the TTM EPS is 31. The promoter holding is 46%. Mutual fund investment by many funds is 2,196 crores, and returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 35%, for 3 years 19%, but for 5 years it is positive but not that good return. It is given as only a return of 2%. Next one on the list is Just Dial. Its current share price is 631 rupees. The 52-week low is 358, whereas the high is 638. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 21 and the TTM EPS is 27. The promoter holding is 33%. The mutual fund investment is 290 crores, and returns, the 1 year return is good here, but the 3 and 5 year returns are in negative. The 1 year return is 29%, the 3 year return is minus 6%, and the 5 year return is minus 19%. Next one in the list is Jubilant FoodWorks. Its current share price is 1,325 rupees. The 52-week low is 977, whereas the high is 1,578. The industry PE is 62, whereas the company PE is 55. The PB is 17. The ROCE is 33 and the TTM EPS is 24. The promoter holding is 44%. The mutual fund investment is 1,238 crores, And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 29%, for 3 years 33%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 20%. Next one on the list is Oberol Realty. Its current share price is 480. The 52-week low is 351, whereas the high is 610. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 9. And the TTM EPS is 22. The promoter holding is 67%. 723 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is negative, which is 9%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given as a return of 25%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 18%. Next one on the list is Prestige Estates. Its current share price is 207 rupees. The 52-week low is 163, whereas the high is 317. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 20. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 9%, and the TTM EPS is 10. The promoter holding is 70%. The mutual fund investment is 171 crores. And returns, for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 32%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive, though not that good returns. For 3 years it is given as a return of 12%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 4%. Next one on the list is Edelweiss Financial Services. Its current share price is 181 rupees. The 52-week low is 115, whereas the high is 342. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 10%, and the TTM EPS is 10.84. The promoter holding is 32%. 473 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, 1 year it is negative, but 3 and 5 years it is given as a very good return. For 1 year it is given as a return of minus 32%, but for 3 and 5 years it is given as a positive return, for which for 3 years it is given as a return of 45%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 42%. Next one on the list is Apollo Hospitals. Its current share price is 1,117 rupees. The 52-week low is 910, whereas the high is 1,387. The industry PE is 49, whereas the company PE is 53. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 8%, and the TTM EPS is 20. The promoter holding is 34%. The mutual fund investment is 953 crores. And returns, the returns are not that good here. For 1 year it is given as only a return of 2%, but for 3 years it is negative, which is minus 6%. Again for 5 years it is positive, which is positive 6%. Next one in the list is, and the last one is Amara Batteries. So its current share price is 750 rupees. The 52-week low is 683, whereas the high is 908 rupees. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 7. The TTM EPS is 27. The promoter holding is 52%. 990 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, 1 and 3 years are negative, which is for 1 year it is minus 8%, and for 3 years it is minus 5%. But for 5 years it is positive, which is 15%. So these are the stocks picked by Morgan Stanley in the mid-cap sector. And one thing to be noted here is all these 11 stocks, except one, which is Apollo Hospitals, all other PE are less when compared to the industry PE. So there are more way for these stocks to grow a lot. These stocks are not stock recommendation from our side, but Morgan Stanley feels that these stocks will give us very good return in the future. And always remember one thing, which is long-term investment. So you can start investing in any of these stocks after your research. So, as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.